How to transfer Amazon gift card balance to bank account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can transfer Amazon gift card balance to bank account. Now, there is no direct way by which you can transfer your Amazon gift card balance to bank account, but there are some workarounds to this. What you can do instead is you can sell your Amazon gift card and get money in return for selling your Amazon gift card. Now, there are different reliable websites in which you can sell the Amazon gift card. One such website is Raise. You simply want to head over to raise.com. Raise is a gift card marketplace where users can buy or sell gift cards. Now, you can download the app or head over to the website of Raise. From here, you can simply list your Amazon gift card over here. Once it is sold, you will receive the money directly transferred to your bank account. Now, Raise is not the only platform where you can sell your Amazon gift card. There are many other platforms where you can buy or sell gift cards. So, you simply want to look for the platform that suits you the best. Two other popular platforms are GameFlip. Here as well, you are able to sell your gift card. So, you simply want to select Amazon from this list. And then once the gift card has been sold, you will get the money back on your bank account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.